Trying to recover deleted files on Windows 11? In this video, I'll walk you through real options you have to get them back. Whatever happened, stop using that drive right now. Every new file you save to it can overwrite the data you're trying to recover. Without further ado, let's get into it. The simplest way to undelete files on Windows 11 is through the Recycle bin. Open it from the desktop or search Recycle bin. If you see your files there, select them, right-click, and choose Restore. Windows will return them to the original folder. This works for regular deletion, but it won't help if you used Shift-Delete, emptied the bin, or deleted something too large for it. Either way, move on. Next, you can check whether there are any backups in File History if you had it enabled beforehand. File History backs up files from your default user folders like desktop, documents, downloads, and so on, plus any folders you added manually. There are two ways to get to these backups, but I'll show the faster one. Open File Explorer and go to the folder where the deleted file was located. Right-click the folder, open Properties, then go to the Previous Versions tab. If Windows has older copies, you'll see them here. Choose a version from before the file disappeared, open it to check what's inside, and then restore or copy the file to a safe location. If this window is empty, File History was probably never turned on. Also worth checking OneDrive. You may not realize it's running in the background, automatically backing things up. If your folders were synced with OneDrive, deleted files usually go to the OneDrive Recycle bin. So open OneDrive in your browser, sign in, go to the Recycle bin, select the file, and click Restore. Once it's restored, it should appear back in the synced folder it was deleted from. Alright, if none of that worked, let's try to restore deleted files on Windows 11 with recovery software. This is usually your best shot if you don't have backups, and at this point, there's nothing to lose by trying it. For this part, I'll show how it works in Disk Drill. I've used it for different Windows 11 file recovery cases over the years, and it's one I can recommend with confidence. It's powerful, easy to follow, and in my experience, it handles deleted files really well. But before you rush to download the software without waiting for the actual steps, there's one thing I want to warn you about first. Don't install it on the same drive where the deleted files were stored. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this can overwrite the data you're trying to recover. Now, step by step. To restore permanently deleted files on Windows 11, here's what you want to do. Go to cleverfiles.com and download Disk Drill from the official page. I'll leave the link in the description. Install the app, then open it. On the main screen, you'll see Connected Storage Devices. Pick the drive where the files were deleted, double-check the name, size, and letter. Then click Search for Lost Data. The scan will start showing results quickly. You can click into categories like pictures, videos, audio, documents, archives, and other while it runs. Still, I'd let the scan finish because some files only show up near the end. Once the scan finishes, you need to find the files in the results. Use Search if you remember the name. If you don't, filter by file type, size, or date modified. For example, I'll search for JPGs. Before recovery, preview the files. Disk Drill gives unlimited preview, so open anything important in the preview pane. If a photo looks normal or a document shows readable content, that's a good sign. If it looks broken or full of random symbols, the file may be damaged. Select the files you need, click Recover, and choose a safe location. Save them to another drive, not back to the one you scanned. Then click Next, and wait until Disk Drill finishes saving the files. After recovery, open the folder you selected and check if the files open properly. That's pretty much it. I really hope this helped you find deleted files on Windows 11 and get them back. The best thing you can do now is set up backups, copy important files to an external drive, use cloud storage, or turn on File History. Then, if this happens again, you'll already know where to look. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and send this video to someone who needs it. And I'll see you in the next one.